Good day traders, and welcome to a new YouTube video here on our channel, which is an update for gold. And I will also cover up for you the DXY, because as you all know, I'm using the DXY for my correlation pairs, so it is super important for gold, for Euro USD, for Aussie dollar, for GBP USD, and so on. Because if we know the overall direction of the DXY, then it is for us even more easier to find confirmations for the other pairs. Okay, so I just see the DXY as an additional confirmation, but not as my main confirmation, just for you to let it know. Now guys, what do we have on gold? This was my last analysis that I was sharing with you on YouTube, so it was this kind of prediction that I was looking for gold to break this 4-hour supply zone, and I was also expecting a retest of this daily supply zone, because at the same spot we got this daily resistance, and therefore I just wanted to see some retest in order for me to see the confirmation that this daily resistance is now a new daily support, and therefore we can found a very great entry here with a tight stop loss, because this is super important for you to understand that it is one of the main points for you to find the best entry, because if you got on tight SL, you can make even more risk to reward. Therefore, you can risk only 2% and you can make easily 10 or even more percent with simply one trade. Therefore, your win rate does not to be that high, okay? But of course, it is kind of difficult to catch such a tight stop loss. Therefore, if you're not an professional trader, if you're just started trading, then better for you is to use a higher stop loss and simply trade with a higher stop loss in order for you to get a higher win rate, okay? But if you want to get a professional trader, you need to catch tight stop loss, okay, on your trades. You need to have tight stop loss. Now, let's get it started. So this was my analysis that I was talking with you on YouTube, and if we hit now the play bottom, it actually played out as it was expected. So price broke through this 4 supply zone, retested the structure, and then boom, we got that move to the upside. And now I want to give you a quick update for this pair. But let me just start off with the DXY. So this is also what I was sharing with you. I was expecting the price is going to do this, kind of waves over here, because as we all know, the market always moves in waves. Therefore, we need to expect something like this. And as you can see, price went to the downside, went a little bit higher, and then boom, it gave us this nice drop over here. And this is actually pretty nice to see, because we also broke previous lower low, creating now a new lower low. And this is super important for the future in DXY, because this range over here, as you can see, this was kind of consolidation phase over here. But the best thing about it was that we still had this lower low, and we never went higher than this 4-hour supply zone. So the potential was never here for the DXY creating a new higher high. So I do not understand why a lot of people talked about DXY is going to go to the upside and stuff like this, because we did not have any kind of confirmation for the DXY going to the upside. We still had a lot of confirmation for the DXY to go even more to the downside, as I was predicted it from the monthly chart, guys. So let's have a look again on the monthly to show you where our targets are. And this is actually only the first target, okay? It is here at 89. But I'm expecting price to go down to 80. So keep that in mind, guys, because we had the confirmation on the monthly chart, and as you can see, we still have only big bearish candles over here, and achieving this take profit level here is nothing for the DXY. After hitting this level, we may see some retracement to the downside before we're going to get the nice drop till this level over here, but we will talk about this in the near future. Now let's have a look on gold. As we are expecting right now from the DXY to go down, we expect on gold to go a lot to the upside, okay? So what do we got right now? These are our levels. These levels are still valid, and I will still let them on the charts. But you need to understand that we also have here a 4-hour supply zone, and this is actually the order block which is right now the problem for gold, that we do not see big moves to the upside. Okay, this is why the price right now is a little bit consolidation, and it will then immediately make an explosion to the upside, or maybe we're going to go a little bit down to retest the structure once again before we're going to see this move to the upside. So these two possibilities we do got right now. What I want to show you as well is this level we do not need anymore, because we got this daily support structure over here. So this is the update right now. Also the 4-hour demand zone, we do not need it anymore. It's not interesting for us right now. We are now focusing on the level that we got over here, and this is actually are these two levels over here, because this supply zone could easily bring the price back to the downside for another retest, okay, or it will push the price straight till this resistance, and I expect at least to hit this resistance, okay, but we may push even higher, okay, so keep that in mind. We can easily also go up till this daily supply zone. This is actually my overall target right now for gold, and then we may see some correctional move to the downside before we're going to see gold breaking out of this range over here. But keep in mind that you should definitely trade gold right now only in this range, okay? Yeah, actually guys, this was my update. So for you, very important is right now just to monitorize price action to this area in order to see in which kind of direction we're going to push. Also, you can use the volume to see how the volume can help you for your entry and so on. But right now, just monitorize price action, and then you should do your trading decision, put a tight stop loss and rock it to the upside. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. I want to see gold rising more to the upside, but of course this year is still a possibility, and we can still get that short on gold before we're going to see this big move to the upside. But yeah, we're with the trend right now, so everything is great and everything is good right now. Yeah, this was my update for Gold and the DXY, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time with a new update. Bye bye.